Morning students, today's topic is physical properties of non-metals. What is non-metal? Those elements which can easily form negative ions by gaining of electrons. Metals क्या थे? Those elements which can easily form positive ions by losing electrons are called metals. But those elements which can easily form negative ions by gaining of electrons are called non-metals. For example, oxygen. How oxygen have atomic number 8? So its electronic configuration becomes 2, 6. Now to complete its octet, oxygen gains 2 electrons. And that's why after gaining 2 electrons, it's become O2 negative, oxide ion. So oxygen is a non-metal. Another examples like carbon, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, all these are the examples of non-metals. Now, what is the physical properties of non-metals? First, as metals have shiny surface, but non-metals do not have shiny surface. Non-metals do not have shiny surface means non-metals does not possess lustrous character, means non-metals are non-lustrous. But there are some exceptions, and exceptions will be iodine and diamond. Iodine and diamond. Both are non-metals. Diamond is a allotrope of carbon. So iodine and diamond both are the non-metals. Still both possess shiny surface. Second property is, in comparison to metals, non-metals are soft. Non-metals are soft except डायमंड. डायमंड को छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी नॉन मेटल्स हैं सब कैसे होते हैं? सॉफ्ट. बट डायमंड एक नॉन मेटल है, बट स्टिल डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस. डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस. थर्ड, all the non-metals exist in solid and gaseous state at room temperature. Exist as solid and exist in solid and gaseous state at room temperature. Except bromine. ब्रोमीन को छोड़कर, क्योंकि जो ब्रोमीन है इट इज लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर. ब्रोमीन कैसा होता है रूम टेम्परेचर पे? लिक्विड. अदर जितने भी नॉन मेटल्स हैं सब कैसे होते हैं? या तो सॉलिड स्टेट में होते हैं या गैसियस स्टेट में होते हैं एट रूम टेम्परेचर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज, नॉन मेटल्स कैन नॉट बी बीटन इनटू थिन शीट्स and cannot be drawn into thin wires. It means non-metals are not malleable and non-ductile. Non-metals are not malleable and non-ductile. As metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, but non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity, except graphite, which is also an allotrope of carbon. It is a non-metal, but still it conducts electricity. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Now, अगर हम डेंसिटी की बात करें, then in comparison to metals, non-metals have low density. Non-metals have low density and have low melting point and boiling point. Now, when we strike a non-metal with a hard surface, it does not produce any sound. It means non-metals are not sonorous. Non-metals are not sonorous. Now, you can see there are many exceptions in the physical properties of metals and non-metals. So, we cannot group elements according to their physical properties alone. So, elements can be more clearly classified as metals and non-metals on the basis of their chemical properties. As in activity 3.8, it is given, take a magnesium ribbon and burn the magnesium ribbon in the presence of air. बर्न करने के बाद जो ऐश मिलेगी, उस ऐश को हमने क्या किया, वाटर में डिज़ोल्व किया. वाटर में डिज़ोल्व करने के बाद हमने उस सॉल्यूशन को टेस्ट किया रेड और ब्लू लिटमस पेपर के साथ. रेड और ब्लू लिटमस पेपर के साथ. And after doing this, we observe that blue litmus paper remains same, but the red litmus paper turns into blue. It means magnesium oxide is basic in nature, because base turns red litmus into blue. So magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Now again, burn sulfur powder in presence of air, means oxygen. बर्न करने के बाद जो पाउडर हमें मिलेगा वो किसका पाउडर होगा, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड का. फिर इन द सिमिलर वे हमने इस पाउडर को वाटर में डिज़ोल्व किया, और डिज़ोल्व करने के बाद जो सॉल्यूशन है उस सॉल्यूशन को हमने टेस्ट किया ब्लू और रेड लिटमस पेपर के साथ. इसके केस में क्या हुआ, जो रेड लिटमस पेपर है वो एज इट इज़ रहा, बट जो ब्लू लिटमस पेपर था वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, रेड में. इट मीन्स दिस substance is acidic in nature. Now magnesium is a metal, so we can say all metal oxides are basic in nature, and sulfur is a non-metal, and sulfur oxide is acidic in nature. So we can say non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, but all the metal oxides are basic in nature. Enough for today. Thank you students. Take care.